Today, I've got a quick little hack that'll save you from ever losing the straw on your WD-40 can again. You know how the straw normally comes taped to the side of the can. After you peel it off a few times, it just won't stick right, and then it always seems to disappear. So here's the fix. Wrap the zip tie snugly around the can and pull it tight. Now cut off the extra tail of the zip tie. If you look closely, there's a small gap right behind the head of the zip tie. That's the perfect slot to slide your straw into. And that's it. Your straw stays secure, it doesn't fall off, and you'll never lose it again. Simple, cheap, and it works on any WD-40 can. You might also notice on the top of this cap that there's a little indentation where you can store the straw. The problem is, if you toss it in a drawer or put it too close to something else, that straw can easily get bent or damaged. That's why securing it on the side of the can with a simple zip tie trick is a much better solution. It keeps the straw safe, straight, and always right where you need it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this.